Good morning from Trot HQ. Friday morning, bit of a chilly one today. Got a returning client with this lovely little Triumph Street Scrambler. This is one we did probably just over a year ago. This is in for one of our winter full Monty protection packages. So we're going to give this a good old degrease clean, get all those spokes all minted up, get these discs sorted, and then we'll get it in the studio, get a fresh coating of XCP corrosion protection on all the motor, all the switch gear, all the frame, and more importantly, all of those chrome spokes. We don't want those going rusty. So we've got our work cut out for us with this one. It's looking a little sad. So let's get her minted up, get some fresh corrosion protection on it, get it looking like it should. Give me a couple hours. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Triumph Street Scrambler has been fully trotted and prepped, ready for the winter ahead. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets, all degreased, decontaminated, debugged. Everything's been misted with XCP, clear coat protection. Mirror polished up all the exhaust headers. Look at that, they have come up like new. All the spokes have been meticulously cleaned, each and every one of them, all misted with XCP corrosion protection. All your sprocket nuts, shock mounts, all that goes rusty on these have all had a nice little brushing of the XCP orange, as well as all the banjo bolts. All the discs have been cleaned, all your ABS rings have been thoroughly cleaned. All done 2 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. We are open 6 days a week. We have a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.